Welcome everyone to the Tactical Tavern. My name is Tomas Salas, and in this video we have a mystery box and package unboxing. So let's get into it. And helping us unbox this thing, we have the Turner CNC Elvia. Super gorgeous. Let's carefully cut into this. This is going to be an unboxing, first impressions. I have honestly no idea what this is. It says fragile on the outside. So I'm going to open this carefully. You notice I didn't do one of those X cuts because I have some decorum, contrary to popular belief. Very interesting wrap job here. I don't know. Oh, nice. A box within a box. Any guesses? I mean, your guess is as good as mine. I literally have no idea what this is. Okay, let's get a little commotion here for how insane that cut was. And I swear, I really hope that it was caught on camera because that was so wicked. I don't know if this is a joke. What's going on here, okay? Time is money, people. What are we doing? Just carefully cut this. Okay, deja vu. Glad we were gentle. What is this? Okay. That is sick. Holy smokes. What? Okay, I don't know why. This gave me chills when I saw this. Riot knives. That is cool. Whoa, look at the design pattern on this. Are you kidding me? Wow, that is gorgeous fabric too. Like a microfiber cloth for keeping your blades clean. As soon as I saw Riot knives, I knew. I was like, okay, that is nice. Wow, we should put this like on the bottom here so we can see it. That is cool. That is super cool. All right, and we got Crane Cutlery. And here we are with Crane's Cutlery. Gorgeous, gorgeous logo. Look at that, like yin and yang. Ooh, beautiful. I really like the texture on this. This is more of like a silky finish, but it still has that microfiber on the back. I wonder what this is. Leave that here. Very well packaged. Whoever spent the time to do this, very, very nice presentation. All right, this is Andy Coy, Diamond Boulevard, Diamond Bar, California. Crane's Cutlery, production and custom knives. Beautiful. A sticker. Riot knives. Love it. Ooh, and check this out. Nice keychain. Really cool logo. I'm digging that. Crane's Cutlery. Gorgeous. Fun. So fun. And ooh, a QR code on the back. Pause it and tell me. No, don't click away from the video, but after, come back to it. Screenshot it. Screenshot it. Come back later. All right, here we go. YanKnives.com. The model is the EMW. Handle is titanium with speed holes. Ooh. The blade is M390 with a belt satin finish. Let's see what this could be. I still can't get over that. That is just gorgeous. Knives. Ooh. Oh, nice. The inverse. Ooh. Oh. Whoever's doing the marketing over there, crushing it. What is this? A sheath. Ooh. Ooh. How gorgeous. This is like one of the most intense unboxings I feel like I've done in a while. Yeah, nice. Genuine leather. With a pocket clip. Fun. Wonder if that's like stainless steel, titanium. I don't know, but it feels nice. I feel so classy. I feel so elegant. My blood started pumping faster when I saw this. Look at this. Oh, it's tight in there too. Wow. Wowza. Okay. Would you look at this? What the heck? It's gorgeous. Whoa. 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 Okay, hang on. I'm taking this in. First time opening it. One, the click was very satisfying. The texture on this, very sleek. Very sleek titanium. Look at that gorgeous blade. Holy smokes. The satin finish is beautiful. Man. Okay, but I saw this on the side too, so I'm like, no way. Oh my. Yo. Okay, hang on. Wait, I'm just taking this in. I'm processing it. We just opened up a double blade hitter. And look at, wowza. Look at this gorgeous blade. Are you kidding me? This is like a traditional Japanese tanto, which is gorgeous. It is so sharp too. Wowza. Okay, but look at this. What? Are you kidding? That is so beautiful. That is a work of art right there. Double blade. I instantly wanted to go like this or like this. Oh, wowza. That is so cool. Now, obviously, I can't imagine that you're going to be using it like this, but that is just so beautiful. You have a smooth utility blade edge on one side. Okay, you want something a little bit more classy to show off? Bam! Now you have that classic Americanized tanto with the yokote. Gorgeous piece. Liner lock here with some texturing, super smooth. And I'm sure you could front. This is like a lefty. Yes. Wowza. I'm just taking this all in, guys, so bear with me. That is so smooth. I am in love. And let's check out the sheath here as well. So I imagine that's what this is for, so you can carry it around. There's no pocket clip on it. But this is cool. Ooh. Wow, I have not seen anything like this ever in my collection. It kind of reminds me of like that old school like trapper knife. You know, you can like cut with it. But you have this, so if one gets dull, you can just flip it out and go to the other one. I love the overall shape too. Very Japanese-esque inspired. Now the dragon makes sense. It's like what you see on like a samurai sword, Tsuba. Wow. I am blown away. Get a close-up here for you to see the grind on here. But wait, we should wipe it off with what? The Crane's Cutlery microfiber wipe cloth. Yes. Wow. Those satin grinds are just stunning. Okay, I think this has to be one of the most beautiful blades I have seen recently. That is so dang cool. And look at the grinds. Have you ever wondered what it was like unboxing stuff with me as a knife guy? Well, now you know. I make a lot of weird noises, and I just have a total appreciation for the machining, the geometry. The presentation is just, bar none, some of the best. Overall, this is a beautiful piece. I'm excited to do more content on this, so stay tuned. If you guys enjoyed this, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you don't miss future videos, unboxings, lives, you name it. If you want to see more of this epic blade, make sure to stay tuned to the Tactical Tavern. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video, and remember, be prepared, be practical, stay tactical.